Now I am continuing this reasons review 6. We did already up to 13 problems, and the 14th onwards I continue for this reasons review 6. So here the 14th one is based on side cutter theorem. This side cutter theorem is also called as side splitter theorem also. So actually, what is the side cutter theorem statement? See, whenever a line segment is drawn parallel to the third side, then you get, see here, CB over BA is equal to CE over ET. Like this we get. So CB over BA is equal to CE over ET. Like that we get the side cutter theorem. Also, since these two triangles CBE and CEAT are similar, you can also get CB over CA is equal to CE over CT, also BE over AT. This is also useful for doing problems. You should have this knowledge about this. Now if you apply this one for this problem, you see CB is given as 3 and CA is total is 10. If the total is 10 and up to here it is 3, then this must be 7, and CE is given as 6. Therefore, what is the length of ET, he is saying. So I am taking, since I don't know, I am taking it as X. Now according to side cutter theorem, CB over BA, that means 3 over 7 is equal to 6 over X, and I cross multiply, then I get 3X is equal to 6 sevens, which is 42. When I divide this with the 3 on both sides, I get X is equal to 14. So here the second one is the correct answer. So in this way you have to do. So please try 15th and 16th, 17th same model. Let me try for you the 19th one. So in this, what is the problem saying here? In the diagram below of triangle ACD, E is a point on AD and B is a point on AC, such that EB is parallel to DC. So AE is 3, ED is 6, DC, this DC is 15. Find the length of EB, he is saying. So you can call it as X. Now I told you already, when you are comparing the sides, you get AE over AD. Full, you have to take full. And then BE over DC. If you take AB, for example, AB, we don't need that, but anyhow, I'm writing AC. So let us take only these two. So AE, how much is given? 3, and AD, the full, if it is 3 and if it is 6, total 3 plus 6 is 9, and BE, he's saying BE we don't know, so X, and DC, that is 15. This one not necessary for us, so I am not taking that. So cross multiply. So 9 times X is 9X, 15 times 3 is 45, and divide with the 9 both sides. X is 5. In this way you have to find the length of EB, which is X. So EB is equal to X, that is 5. So again, if you see this side, these two problems also you have to do using side cutter theorem or side splitter theorem. Now if you see this 22nd, this is median's property we are using. What is median's property? This is very important. So if you take any triangle like this, this is the middle point, and if you join this vertex with this middle point, this is called median, and this is the middle point of the opposite side. If you join these two, this is median, and if you join this vertex to this middle point, you get another third median. All these three medians are meeting here. That point is G, and this G divides each median in the ratio 2:1. This is 2:1. That means if it is 100, this will be 200. If it is 10, this will be 20. And if it is 2000, this will be 1000, just like that. So in the ratio, G divides in the ratio, each median in the ratio 2:1. That is important medians property, you have to remember. According to this property, now what is he saying? FG is 12, this one. If FG is 12, what is GC he is saying? GC is starting from vertex. This will be double to this 12. So 24, that should be 24. It's very simple. You can try the other problems in the same way. Let me show you one more problem. Here PM is 2x plus 5, and whereas BP is 7x plus 4, this part. And what is the length of PM he is saying? So this part will be double to this one. Therefore BP is twice PM. But BP is given as 7x plus 4, and whereas PM is 2x plus 5. So multiply this one 4x plus 10, and thereby you subtract 4x both sides, and thereby you get 3x plus 4 is equal to 10. Subtract 4, you get 3x is equal to 6, and x is equal to 2. After getting x value 2, PM is 2 times x plus 5, that is 2 times 2, 4, 9 you will get. So in this way you have to do this. And here these two, one should be double to the other. He is saying the 3 medians of a triangle intersect at a point. Which measurements could represent the segments of one of the medians? So 3 is, though it is bigger, is not double to 2. So this is not our answer. 4.5 is not double to 3. So that's not our answer. 9 is not double to 3. That is not our answer. 6 is double to 3. Yes, that is our answer. Like this you have to do. Thank you.